Hey my creators, welcome back to my channel. Good job, Dan. So today we're going to be cooking some shrimp fajitas with we're going to be making some shrimp fajitas with a jalapeno cheddar dressing, okay? So to start, we're going to need some peppers and onions, of course, some garlic, parsley flakes. I have some garlic and pepper seasoning, garlic and herb. Then I have some Himalayan salt, onion powder. I have some habanero spice seasoning. Bless you, son. And then I have some adobo. And then I have shrimp. These are bite-sized shrimp for the fajitas, guys. And then I have some flour, tortillas, some butter, avocado, ranch, cheddar cheese, sour cream. All right, my creators, and some jalapenos. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
So let's get it. I went ahead and sliced up the peppers, okay, and I have my griddle on 300. Today, you guys, we're going to be using a griddle, so we don't got to do a lot of dishes, okay? So let's go ahead and start with the butter. Here you go. Can you put the butter on there? Put the butter on. Good job.
It's floating.
Yep, sure is. So we're going to melt the butter on the griddle, y'all. Okay. It really comes in handy too, this little griddle. So then we're gonna put the peppers right on there, y'all. Okay, we'll put the peppers on there. Let your peppers, hold on, son, slow down, okay? Slow down, slow and steady. Wins the race, okay? Watch yourself. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and season this up a little bit, you guys. I got some onion powder there. Okay. Y'all know I gotta hit it with the parsley. Y'all know I gotta hit it with the parsley. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing good, having a good day. I actually did my thing backwards today. I went ahead and cleaned up before I started cooking. That way I can go right to bed afterwards, y'all. I'm tired today. All right. So I got the onion and garlic seasoning with the pepper sauce. So go ahead and let your vegetables cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're going to come back here and do the shrimp. I promise y'all this is a quick, easy 15-minute meal, okay? Okay, y'all, so about 10 minutes later and the vegetables are to my liking. I am going to take these off and then we're going to get right into the shrimp, y'all. Okay, y'all, so y'all going to want to go ahead and keep that griddle just the way it is, or pan if you're using a pan. It don't matter, okay? I'm just doing this because this is easier for me. So put some more butter on that griddle. Okay. Then you're gonna want to put your shrimp down, and you only want your shrimp to cook for only a couple of minutes on each side. Shrimp cooks so fast, y'all. It's not even funny. Okay. You don't want your shrimp to be rubbery or anything, so don't overcook it, okay? Yep, we're cooking some shrimp for you, baby. Okay? What did you guys do to pertaining to your dreams today? Y'all know I always ask that. I have some parsley here. All right, y'all, and then I have some garlic. I'm just going to put that garlic right on the top of here, okay? I should have mixed it in, but it's okay. It's gonna all mix in. Then I have my habanero seasoning. I got this from Ross, y'all. It was like $3.99 for this habanero seasoning. Really good. Just a little spicy. Then I have my adobo. And I know this is heavy seasoning, but y'all know I like my seasonings. And it has no MSG in most of the seasonings that I'm using. So that's a plus plus. Okay, y'all. All right, so go ahead and let those shrimp cook. And then we're going to be right back here to make the jalapeno avocado sauce. Okay, you guys, I'm just going to flip my shrimp over. And I know these shrimp are teeny tiny, but I got these small shrimp on purpose because I knew I was making fajitas. You guys, let's be real, I ain't got time to flip each one over like that. Okay, be real with y'all, like I always do. Just mix that bad boy around. Okay. I feel like saying to you guys today to do something nice for someone else that's unexpected today. Just bless somebody just because. Without recognition, just bless somebody with just because. Even if you don't think that they need it, just bless somebody just because. When you do things like that, I promise you, it comes back to you. Even if you don't have it. Even if you don't have it, just do it, you guys. Just do it. Plant those seeds, y'all. Okay? So let's go ahead and make this jalapeno avocado sauce. Okay? Cheddar jalapeno avocado sauce. There we go. Alright, so I got this from the dollar store, y'all. It's a cute little cutting board. It was $1. I love me some Dollar Tree. Yes, I do. I go in there and think I be gotten it, y'all. I be having it. I'll be balling up in the dollar store. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cut this jalapeno up. And I need you guys to please remember, if you don't know, do not touch your eyes, your face. Don't touch nothing after you use or after you cut up this jalapeno. It'll tear you up. I done did that a couple of times, and y'all, I'm trying to tell you, that mess hurt. So be sure to wash your hands after you use this jalapeno, after you cutting it up and stuff. Okay, so what we want to do is actually cut it in small strips first. Then we just want to do little dice pieces, and I mean small mini dice pieces, because we want it to be incorporated in the sauce. Okay, I'm gonna get all our jalapenos right. Ooh, I can taste that in my mouth right now, y'all. That's hot. Okay, get all your jalapenos. Okay. Then I'll put all of that right in here, right in my bowl. Wash my hands just a little bit. Then, y'all, I have an avocado, which is really ripe. Okay, so I just want to use it before I can't use it no more. So it's actually nice and soft, very soft. Like if I didn't use this today, I probably couldn't use it. Okay. So there's all my avocado in here. All right. And then to that, we're just going to add in just a little bit of the cheese. You guys can skip the cheese part if you want. You don't have to do cheese parts. If you guys are subscribed to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Tish and I love cheese. I use cheese with everything, y'all. It's one of my downfalls. So we're going to go ahead and put some sour cream in there. About 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And then a tablespoon of your ranch. Okay. We're going to mix this up really well. I have my small little whisk here. Okay. mush it up really well. This sauce is going to be so good on the fajitas, y'all. I'm telling you, it's going to be so good. Not going to regret this. You guys can put tomatoes on your fajitas, or, you know, you can go all out with it. Put some corn on there. Do what you want to do. You know, the best thing about recipes is you can make it your own. So there's really not a right way and a wrong way on how your taste buds are. Okay? The best thing about cooking is you can have fun with it. So I just put some of the garlic and pepper seasoning in there and a little bit of parsley. And that's all she wrote. That is my jalapeno ranch cheddar dressing. That's probably going to change the name, but there we have it, guys. Okay, y'all, so make sure that your tortillas are on your griddle, and you can cook them for about, you're really just heating them up for about 30 seconds on each side, okay? And I'm gonna do 6 here. So stay with me and we're gonna put it all together. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my sauce in a bag. I normally have a squeeze bottle, but I honestly can't find it right now. So we're gonna do this the easy way. So when you don't have a squeeze bottle and you just want to make stuff look presentable, and cut the corner right here. Okay? So let's go ahead and put this together. I got my fajitas and I have my shrimp. Okay? All right, y'all. So I'm gonna put my fajitas on here first. I love vegetables, y'all. Especially fajitas. If you guys watch my channel, I know, y'all know, I put peppers in like everything. But I honestly love peppers. Okay? So, we're gonna do multiples at a time here. Okay? So we have fajitas all in. I'm gonna put this right here so y'all can see me do everything. That's better. Okay. So about however many shrimp you want to do. I'm gonna do about 4 or 5 shrimp per fajita. Okay. And again, if y'all don't do spicy, that's cool. Just do a non-spicy. Don't use the habanero and all that other stuff, because this is spicy. Okay? And the jalapenos and all of that. I'm gonna grab my scissors, and then I'm just gonna cut the corner right here. Okay, and I'm just gonna drizzle sauce right on the top. Okay. Okay. And that is easy as that, y'all. That is it. These are my shrimp fajitas with jalapeno, cheddar. What else am I missing? An avocado dressing, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Thank you for being a creator. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tell everyone who you know what I'm doing over this channel. And I'm bombing it up in the kitchen, y'all. Until next time, my creators, continue to believe in yourself.